In the next exercise, we're going to check the bases attribute of child, parent, and some other objects as well. Printing the bases is simple enough. The name of our child object, or I'm sorry, we're using classes. So we're going to say child.bases. We're going to say parent.bases, stir.bases, and object.bases. Now what is bases? Bases is a special magic attribute that allows us to look at the inheritance list for any class. As we saw in the prior exercise, child inherits from parent. So we know this, of course, because we defined it that way. But we may not always know the inheritance list for a given object if we didn't design it. In this case, we do, but we're now going to use the bases attribute to show how it's possible to view the inheritance list for any given class. Child's inheritance is parent. Of course, you see main.parent. Main refers to the current module. It's the module we're in. If it was from a different module, you'd see a different name here. But child inherits from parent. Parent inherits from object. The string class, stir, we all know stir. Stir also inherits. It inherits from object. An object inherits from nothing. Now, what is object? Object is something we might call the great ancestor of all other objects. See, Python is arranged into a hierarchy of classes, and any class that you create is going to inherit from object, or if it doesn't inherit from object, it may inherit from a class that does inherit from object. Now, the meaning for this is that Python is going to be able to imbue any object you create with certain functionality, and we'll explore that in the next exercise.